Welcome to the channel. The purpose of channel is to facilitate students in learning physics at their convenience. It is a class without a classroom, so learn physics at your convenience. Let us start our today's lesson. The topic is physical quantity. Students, if you are asked to find the length of a table or height of a pole or the mass of a food packet in your hand, you will not confuse. On the other hand, if you are asked to measure the intelligence of a student or to measure the honesty of a person or how much a person is loyal, you cannot measure these things. You will confuse because there are some quantities that we can measure and some quantities that we cannot. Our today's topic starts from physical quantity. A quantity that can be measured is called a physical quantity. For example, force is a physical quantity. We can measure it and its value can be expressed in the unit of Newton. Similarly, distance is another physical quantity with unit meter. Mass is another physical quantity with unit kilogram. These are the few examples of physical quantities that we can measure. What is measurement? Students, measurement is a process in which we compare an unknown quantity with a known standard. This process of comparison is called measurement, and the standard with which we compare a physical quantity during its measurement is called unit. Unit is a standard with which a quantity is compared. For example, length is compared with specific rod called meter. So meter is the unit of length. Its value remains same everywhere. Unit of mass is kilogram. So whenever we measure mass, we compare it with a specific cylinder made of metal whose mass is 1 kilogram. It is the unit of mass. Students, system of units. A complete set that contains well-defined units of all physical quantities is called a system of units. Means a complete set that contains almost all the units of all the physical quantities. For example, FPS is a system of units in which length is measured in foot, mass or weight is measured in pound, time in second. CGS system, centimeter, gram, second. MKS system, meter for length, kilogram for mass, and S seconds for time. These are different systems of units. However, students, with the development of international trade, use of different systems for measurement in different parts of the world created problems in international trade. So, in 1960, it was decided to adopt a uniform system of measurement internationally. It is called System International SI. In this system, 7 physical quantities are taken as base quantities. They are defined and their units are called base units. You have studied about these 7 base quantities in your school level. However, here we repeat them. One is length. Its unit is meter with symbol m. Second is mass with its unit kilogram. Symbol is kg. Time is measured in the units of second. S is the symbol. Temperature with its units Kelvin. K is the symbol. Electric current, ampere. luminous intensity, candela, and last is amount of a substance. Its unit is mole and its symbol is MOL, mole. Students, there are units which are derived from these base units. They are called derived units. A derived unit is obtained by multiplying or dividing the base units. We call them derived units. Students, for example, area. Area is a derived quantity that is obtained by multiplying length with width. Width is also actually length. So, unit of area is meter square, that is derived by multiplying meter with meter. Meter square. It is a derived unit. Similarly, speed is a derived quantity derived from distance, dividing distance with time. We get speed. So, unit of speed is meter per second. It is a derived unit. Density, defined as mass per unit volume. Its unit will be kilogram per meter cube. It is also a derived unit. Students, there are two units which are neither in base nor in the derived. They are called supplementary units. I told you they are two. Number one, angle in a plane and solid angle. First, what is angle in a plane and what is its unit? Look at this diagram. If an arc S is making an angle theta at the center of a circle whose radius is r, this theta is called angle in a plane and its unit is radian. What will be 1 radian? Theta will be 1 radian if length of the arc that is subtending this angle at the center of the circle is equal to radius of that circle. Means when S equals to R, theta equals to 1 radian. And second is solid angle. Solid angle is a three-dimensional angle that is made by the surface of a sphere at the center of the sphere. Let a surface of area A is making certain solid angle at the center of that sphere. If R is the radius of the sphere, then this solid angle will be 1 steradian if this area of the surface which is making this angle is equal to square of the radius of the sphere. If A area equals to square of the radius of the sphere, then the angle, solid angle, will be 1 steradian. Students, these are the base units, derived units and supplementary units. I hope it is clear. Students, thank you for sparing your time to watch this video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care of you. Goodbye.